I'm ready if you are.
I'm more than ready. I'm just getting the socket. Today, tomorrow, next week. We shouldn't drive this according to Nick. Transmission's not tuned. Yeah, Charlie Turbo is recording the turbo. We got the turbo sound going on. He's handicapped though today because I hit him. Punched him.
Yeah, abusive relationship.
That's it. We don't believe in having any fun around here, you know?
Going to get something free to play with.
If it's got or wheels, it's just gonna be wrong.
I don't know about the part, but I think about it. Oh yeah.
The real one.
Testarossa, baby.
It's a Dustarossa.
We're gonna wheel it out today. It's coming out. This is your new daily driver.
It's definitely, it's real. It's not a kid car.
Actually, we'll be back in a minute.
I wonder how long she's been sitting.
Years. The last time this car's been out is when I personally drove this car about 12, 13 years ago. I wheeled every one of these cars out one night, me and another guy, and took it out for a ride. It puttered out at the light. We had to push it all the way back here.
And that's when it died?
I don't think anybody's ran it since.
Holy shit, look at the Lagonda.
Yeah, I got that for him. It needs a lot of work.
I've worked on a bunch of old Lagondas.
Have you?
Yeah, they're not fun.
What was that? What was that? Make this quick?
Make this quick as possible.
Yeah, that's the auction sticker.
But biohazardous?
Yeah.
Crashed.
You sure
Somebody
got shot?
you sure somebody didn't just put biohazardous on it? But I wouldn't put it past Ronnie to buy something that somebody died in. Oh, it's a good deal.
Yeah. It's got the.
It's a fantastic deal.
Probably got shot. He probably just replaced the window. We really just dug out a Ferrari that's been sitting there for
12 years.
RG was 20, so you can do the math.
Since 2008 or 9. 2009. I drove that car in 2009. Made it to right here, as a matter of fact. After what we just did, pushing all that stuff out like that, I had to do that, me and another guy. I'm not going to mention his name because I'm not friends with him anymore.
You guys were just joyriding it at that time? Just for
We
fun?
were going to go for a ride. Yeah, it was when I moved up north and I was down here for something and I was bored. So I couldn't go back till the next day. I was like, oh, let's take the Testarossa for a ride. And
the guy's like, knock yourself out.
Rodney? Oh,
Yeah.
Me and Rodney have been friends for like 25 years. Yeah, so we got all the way to here, and it shut off, and would not restart. So,
You guys pushed it in reverse?
in
back?
reverse, cars come in, everything is like 9:30 at night.
Awesome.
All the way back in. The worst part was all those cars we pushed out like that, it was just me and him, we had to push all the cars back in. Needless to say,
And this guy's never tried to do anything with it?
No, Rodney doesn't do anything with it.
She needs some love, but... Well, the last time you took it out was 12 years ago.
09, 08, 09.
Yeah. Who knows how long you've had it?
10. That's
Who
10.
knows who's Colombian Bam
12
Bam
years, yeah,
dealer
12 years.
this was?
I mean,
seized
there
from?
could be some Colombian Bam Bam up underneath. We'll find out.
We will find
As soon
out.
as it goes on the lift. How long is it going to take to make it run?
A couple days. I mean, I've done many of these.
Do you think if we put the titanium exhaust on it, it hurts the value?
No, because we'll just keep the exhaust and then just put it back on.